Add ing. There are some spelling rules you need to remember before you add ing to the verb. We normally add ing to any verb, like read, reading. But if the verb ends in e, just remove the e and add ing, making, without e. This is if the verb ends in one e, guys, not ee. But if the verb ends in ie, just remove the ie and add ing. Lie, lying. If the verb ends in a cvc, consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last letter, pp, and add ing. Stopping. Quick reminder of the vowel and the consonant. Vowel letters are a, e, I, o, u. These are the 5 vowels in English. The consonants are all the other letters like K, T, L, M, F, etc. But there is an exception here for this rule, guys. If this P is Y or X or W, like in play or fix or